Hello everyone, welcome to E and I. Today we are going to learn about farm animals and their families. But first, what are farm animals? Farm animals are animals that are raised on the farm or kept for consumption. Yeah, we have lots of farm animals on our farm today. Come, let's go check them out. Wow, there we have the duck family. The father duck is called a drake. The mother duck is a duck, while the baby duck is called a duckling. Another family on the farm is the goats family. The father goat is called a billy. The mother goat is called a nanny. And the baby goat is called a kid. Right over there we have the pig family. The father pig is called a boa. The mother pig is called a sow, while the baby pig is called a piglet. Right over there we have the cattle family. The father cattle is called a bull. The mother cattle is called a cow. And the baby cattle is called a cow. Oh, there's another family and it's the chicken family. Yeah, the father chicken is called a rooster. The mother chicken is called a hen. And the baby chicken is called a chick. We also have on a farm the sheep family. The father sheep is called a ram. The mother sheep is called a ewe, while the baby sheep is called a lamb. Lastly on a farm is the horse family. The father horse is called a stallion. The mother horse is called a mare, while the baby horse is called a foal. Thank you for coming to our farm today. Bye-bye.